Hey guys, it's me, it's my first video look back diary, and season started 6 weeks ago, at least for me, so I'm busy. It's 1 o'clock in the morning. I'm still working on some things. Um, yeah, you saw a lot of things coming along on Facebook. You were wondering what I am doing, so I will tell you yet. The last 6 weeks have been amazing. I was so inspired by the people around me, by the city, by the school, and I'm coming up with a project. I can tell you yet exactly what is it all about, but I'm working on a logo at the moment and some fine tuning, and I hope to release it next week or at least in 2 weeks. I already did a duet with Oksana Shevchuk. She was amazing to work with. She's so inspiring, and check her on Facebook if you need a great dancer. Book her if you need a great teacher. Check on her classes. She's teaching here around in Amsterdam, so don't miss these classes. She is inspiring. I'm also coming up with a second duet. The concept is made. I got a great partner and I'm really looking forward to work with her. It's gonna be amazing. We're gonna work hard, I promise. We wanna blow your minds away, and I hope it will be a success, but we have to take some time for rehearsal, but it will come along. So last but not least, I got a project coming up, a solo project that came in my mind this week actually, and I started with some movement material, so it's gonna be something new for me. It's gonna be a new side of me, and I'm really excited to go deeper on this. I started to organize things today, and I got 2 more days to get clear about what will it be, but I can tell you it's gonna be in Amsterdam. It's gonna be near the theater school at the Jodenbreestraat, and it's gonna be in November, mid of end November. I don't know yet, but further information will come along. The title for now is Me in a Cage, so you know a little bit what it's all about. I was already made a little solo as a teaser, and I'm gonna shoot it next week in Austria if I find somebody who will film it. Otherwise, I will fix something. I promise that. So this will come along also with further information. What else? Yeah, I'm back in Austria on Friday, so if you see me on the street, we're gonna have a party. What I'm really proud about, I'm already booked for a workshop at the Dance Academy in Innsbruck on 26th of October. It's a Saturday from 3 p.m. till 5 p.m. So join my class, we're gonna dance, we're gonna have fun, we're gonna sweat, we're gonna scream. So it's gonna be amazing. I'm coming up with some new things, so it's gonna be really, really amazing, and I hope you take a special part in this workshop. So what's left to say? Just keep on dancing and dance free.